Hello, and welcome to this quick introduction to Armicus. Designed to keep track of everything an IT department manages, Armicus does not have predefined assets. Instead, it lets you store the information that you need how you need it. To get started, you need a template. Templates define the types of information stored. To create your own, click Templates on the navigation bar on the left, and then click the big plus button. For this video, we will be creating a simple asset template to replicate a more conventional asset management system. As you can see, I have already created some fields, but there are a couple more to add. First, we will add a cost field. Fields default to the string format, but string fields don't have any validation on them, so we will change it to make sure that only numbers can be entered. There are a lot of different formats in Armicus, including custom regular expressions, currencies, measurements, Boolean values, and more. For now, we will be selecting £sterling. We also want to record which office the asset is in. We could do this with a simple string field, but Armicus lets us use other templates as formats. When selecting a template as a format, the value of the field will be an entity based on the selected template. For example, we will select the office template now, and when we create our first asset, we will select our London entity. You might notice that I said entity rather than asset. Because Armicus is designed to hold everything an IT department needs to manage, things to be tracked are referred to by the more generic term of entities. If we click Entities on the navigation bar, we can see the 3 office locations I created earlier. Clicking the big plus button presents us with a list of existing templates in the system that we can use as the basis of an entity. We'll select our asset template for now. Most fields are simple text boxes, but some are more specialized. For example, a template field only lets you select entities of the selected template, and the timestamp field has a picker to allow easy entry of a timestamp. To ensure that Armicus can integrate with your environment, it has been designed as an API-first product. The entire system has a single, versionless GraphQL API available at api.armicus.com. To make it easier to work with the API, the website has an IDE built in that runs queries and mutations with the logged-in user's credentials. As you can see, the IDE is pre-populated on first use with a simple getUser query. Calling getUser without any variables returns the currently authenticated user session. Run the query and we can see some basic information about our user account. GraphQL is also self-documenting, and we can use that to see what else we can query on a user object. For a simple example, we will get the organization name and ID of our user. Run the query, and we can see that our user, support@armicus.com, is a member of the Armicus organization. That concludes this introduction. This has been a simple demonstration of Armicus, but there are no limits to the number of templates or entities that you can create. If you are interested in what you saw, Armicus is completely free to use at armicus.com. If you are interested but would like to see a feature added before you sign up, please let me know so that I can build it. For any questions or feedback, you can email me at support@armicus.com or post on the official subreddit at reddit.com/r/armicus. If you know anyone that might also be interested, please send them this video. For updates, follow @armicusofficial on Twitter or join the subreddit. Thank you for watching.